Hey fans, Stephen, NetSurf Power. I have many persons all over Guyana asking about different solar lights and how we can power their house, their building. Some persons have farmhouses in different areas and they want to know how solar lights, how effective it is, how bright it is. And this video is about helping you to understand we at NetSurf Nature Park is using solar light. We use no generator for electricity. If you notice up here, this is another solar light here. In this ranch cabin, solar light also. And more solar lights again. Here, inside this building, we have a solar panel on top and 12-volt lights. This tree have 4 solar light pointing in different directions. So contact us at NetSurf Power and we can advise you based upon what you tell us. We have different watts, different brightness, and these lights comes on by themselves and goes off. If you notice, one of them just comes on there. Yep, right there. So thank you for watching this video. Call for more information.